Hello, today I'd like to share with you this beautiful project kit that Stampin' Up! Has in their holiday catalog. It makes 20 cards. It costs $20. It's an awesome, beautiful kit. It has trees, like poinsettias and like holly. The envelopes are lined inside red or green, both of them, and with the gold accents. They're gorgeous. And it comes with your full instructions and, of course, the bigger pictures of each card. Now, this is a project kit. It's not an all-inclusive kit. So what you need to do is you either need to buy the stuff to go with or ask your demonstrator to come over and bring this stuff. So what else you need is the Timeless Tidings stamp set, stays on ink, black, and your adhesive of choice. So you could use liquid glue, tape runner, tear and tape, whatever kind of glue dots, whatever kind of adhesive that your demonstrator would want to use. If you don't have a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator, and we could do this together if you're local, and if not, maybe even do an online party for you and your friends to make this kit. And you can contact me if that is something that you would like to do. Let me go through and show you all the beautiful stuff. And then we'll make one card. Oops, so I dropped it. Alright. You get these beautiful, like, watercolor trees. And there's 5. And this lovely holly with gold foil accents. And the poinsettia. It's beautiful. And the other topper is, like, more holly. And these are your cards. Okay, for this, it has a line where you actually put your gold foil accents. I'll show you those later. You get 5 of those cards. And that's the one we're going to make. You get large circles and small circles with the gold foil accents to stamp your sentiments on. And your other banner type ones. These are the gold foil accents. I think they're stunning. So you get the ones for the large one would go on like this, and the smaller, well, the V would go on this one, and then these go behind that sentiment there, and the smaller strips go on this holly card. So you get all these foil accents, and these are your cards. This is the one for the watercolor trees, and you just put your foil down there. It even has a line where you put it. It's awesome. And this is the one for this one with the foil. Has the line, so you would have your cards that way. And then you have your solid red for this one. And that was it. Just those different things. Oh, and these are more accent for your sentiments, and that is for this one. The envelopes, let me show you those, are gold foil, and the inside is either red, and I think I may have a green. Yep, here's green, or green. I think you get 10 of each. It's a beautiful, beautiful set. And for $20, that's $1 per card. How amazing is that? You can't buy a card in the store for under $3 or $4. $5 or $6 sometimes. Oh, and you get your little, you've got some gold ones in here, and you have some green. So let me show you the first card. So this is one of the cards in the kit. And that is the second card. And this is the third one. And we are going to make the fourth one together. So let me get the things out for that kit. For that card. So it's this one. And I don't need an envelope right now. Let's see, I'll keep that out. I need to find the bits. It was the poinsettia, this one. And then the foil accent, a V. So we'll take that one. And then the Merry Christmas, which I have already stamped on here. So these are so easy to put together. You and your friends could have a girls' night and make all your Christmas cards. This is 20 Christmas cards right here in this kit. So you just peel off. I like to push that down so I don't get all those little bits. Let me move that. Let's peel off our V. There we go. Set that aside. And then all we do is set it in the middle there, and that'll be good. And then you would take this and just layer it on top, like so. And I'm going to use this liquid glue, hopefully, if it's not plugged up. There we go. There we go. I just filled my bottle, so it's... and it is Tombow liquid glue, but this comes out way too fast for me. Normally, this doesn't, and it actually did, so I'm going to, like, just wipe this down, smooth it out. There we go. And then we are going to put this on here, just so as we see the little wavy part. And then you take your Merry Christmas, and if you like, you can use dimensionals to pop it up, which I am going to do. Put one there and one in the middle. If I can get it off. Peel off the backings. Now I have glue stuck on my fingers. And we will layer it down here. Now the stamp set, it does, you could put Merry Christmas here, and then on the inside you could stamp one of the pictures down in the corner, and you could say, sending good tidings of comfort and joy, or may the warmth of Christmas fill each corner of your heart and home, or hoping beautiful moments and happy memories surround you at this time of year. Or, like I said, you have on the front, Merry Christmas, and inside you could put, and a Happy New Year. This is a beautiful, beautiful stamp set. The font is gorgeous on it. So, that is the card. And we are done. So, I did make a few different ones that I adapt to my likings. And I think I might have showed you them by mistake. But anyways, I will call it a night for now, and we'll try and get this uploaded. I've been having problems trying to upload my videos, and if you need this kit or you have any questions whatsoever, you can write me, comment on my videos, click like and subscribe, and you'll know when I upload more videos. And I thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.